Hi everyone, thank you all for joining me today. I'm going to be teaching you how to hide your posts on the front page, how to hide your posts and pages on the front page of your website. So what I want you to do for me right now is log into your WordPress website so you can reach your dashboard so we can begin starting the process. So once you have gotten on your dashboard, all you have to do is we're going to use a plugin in order to hide posts that you create, posts that you don't want to necessarily be on the front page, not really hidden from like search engines or from anybody, just not on the front page. So this is what we do. Let's go ahead and go to add new, go to plugins, add new, click on add new. And what we're going to do is search for that plugin that does that function. WP hide post. So that's what you put in, WP hide post. And here it goes right here. It says WP hide post. So what you do is press install now. It has 50,000 active installations. Let's activate. So there's several reasons why a person wouldn't want to show their post on the front page. It could be because they want the theme of the way, the feeling of the website to be directed in a certain way. You may have a landing page on the front page of your website, and you're placing your recent posts in different categories or tags, or just not having it on the front page because you don't want to deter the traffic that you're receiving from that landing page that you created. So that could be one reason why you would hide a post. Okay, so for instance, I've activated that post. So here it goes right here where it says WP hide post. Now all I have to do is, okay, whatever pages that I've created, so I'm going to go to all posts, and just to show you that I have not a lot of content, just basic just demonstrations. Okay, here goes my post, and this is absolutely plain right now. And here you go, one post. So let's go ahead and take off this post. Let's remove it from the front page. Now how you do that is, I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. I'm going to go ahead and edit this post. Let me edit it. Okay, you can do this from a new post. If you're going to add a new post, you can adjust the settings, but this is just posts that I've already created. So I'm going to go all the way down here, Keep scrolling down until you see post visibility. Now if you want to hide on your category pages, I'm gonna hide on the front page. Hide on the front page. If you want to hide from your categories, hide on tag pages, whatever. You can hide from, even from the search engines. It'll put the nofollow tag on there to hide in the search engine. Hide in search results. Now, if you want it to be visible in search, don't click on this. Okay, and for the rest of them, it's your choice. It's just page hiding, hiding your pages, your posts on your website. But this right here, if you don't want it to be hidden in search, don't click on it. So hide on the front page. I clicked on that, and now I'm going to go ahead and update. Okay, let's see if it's still on the front page. There you go. So it disappeared. That particular page has disappeared. Now I have this page, this post, and this post. This post right here. The post about cake is gone. It is still here. It is still available to be seen, but it's just not on the front page of my website. So that is how you use that is how you hide posts or pages on your website? Simply downloading the plugin called WP Hide Posts. Let me show you how it looks again. Let me see, plugins, installed plugins. Just remember to type in WP Hide Posts. Here it goes right here. Go to plugins and type in WP Hide Posts. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine of Web Hosting Throne. You can visit me at webhostingthrone.com or simply Google Web Hosting Throne. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine again, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.